just want to say to my Jamaicans home who are going through this massive hurricane at the moment, be safe, stay safe, stay tucked in, and let's ride this one out, yeah? Don't go surf. I run pan water, I run by road now water. Just be safe. My family in Jamaica, my whole family in Jamaica, you get everything I support you can get from me at the moment. Just be safe, fam. Just be fucking safe. Come the ball, I fight conquer off. I swear. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. My name is Rome. This is the fourth official. If you're brand new, please subscribe to the channel and remember drop a like on the video as well and drop a comment. Let us know what we're doing. How we're doing. Ha! COMNEBOL CONCACAF had a combined Copa America this year. And CONMEBOL always had a bunch of visitors in the Copa America because they don't have enough countries within CONMEBOL to fill out the Copa America. So they've always had a lot of outside interest coming into Copa America. I think last year they had Qatar and a bunch of other countries. This year they had nothing but CONCACAF countries. Rightly so, America is hosting the CONMEBOL this year. So of course everybody is in America and they're doing their thing, right? We need to talk about the group stages. Before we do anything else, we need to talk about the group stages and how I think CONMEBOL and their referees as unjustly treated the CONCACAF teams really bad. Two teams in particular, Jamaica and the USA. No, I have no love for the USA, men's USA national team. No love at all. Absolutely no love. But from what happened to them in the last game and what happened to Jamaica in the second game of this league in the group stages, we need to talk about it, fam. Number one, only two teams from CONCACAF made to the group stages. Yeah? Only two teams. Panama and Canada. Canada got through because they scored one goal in the group stages. One goal. And the opposing team had a red card. They scored a goal and they made it to the next round because they drew the next game and they lost to Argentina, obviously. One goal. The entire group stage is just one goal. Most like Jamaica who just scored one goal, but Jamaica is brand new to Copa America, fam. Brand new to majority of these level of footballing every week, every 3 games, playing all those big teams from CONMEBOL, brand new, but still one goal. Panama did well, got through the rounds. Okay. Now let's talk about what Jamaica has done in the group stages. And I'm going to focus on the second game in particular. Now look at this picture. What does that say to you, fam? That's a handball in it. That's clearly a handball, isn't that? That is clearly a handball. The referee said no handball. VAR got on the phone and be like, yo, you need to check this out. It's definitely a handball. The referee ran down to the monitors, looked at it, and said, no, it's not a handball. He protected his face and the ball is his head. Previously in the first half, Greg Lay had the same situation. His hand went up, jumping, trying to jump the ball. The Ecuador player hit the ball, hit his arm, red side, ref came back, side, red, penalty. So how is the second one not a penalty, fam? VAR side, VAR called them back. Why is it not a penalty? I can tell you why. Because COMNEBOL are on strict instructions with the referee to make sure that Jamaica and other countries in the Caribbean doesn't qualify for the second round. And yes, Canada got through because of technicalities. Chile got a red card. They score a one goal, fine. They got through. Panama, I didn't really watch Panama throughout the Copa America. So it might be a case where they played well. Maybe they didn't. I don't know. But the point that I'm making is that is the only explanation as to why Jamaica didn't get a second, get a a penalty in that second game. It could have been 2-2 and the game would have been different. Yes, there's a possibility that Ecuador could have scored back, but we don't know that right now, do we? What we know is the game ended 3-1 because the referee declined to give Jamaica a penalty, fam. And that cannot be turned around and just turn your head to the side and be like, okay, all right, this happened. No, it cannot be like that, fam. Cannot be like that. I told you just now that I have no love for USA men's national football team. Because USA don't love football at all. So I don't love USA men's national football team. However, in that last game versus Uruguay, I was rooting for Uruguay. Pelestric from Manchester United. You got Ugarte, who Manchester United are scouting. I was watching Uruguay. I was looking forward to seeing Uruguay play. But that goal from Bumbucker Uruguay was totally and utterly offside. 110% offside. 110% offside. The ref side, they didn't call offside. And the VAR side. And how the fuck are you drawing lines at the man's foot in them toe when him knee the front the head them toe, him chest they above it? How, fam? How? Look at that picture and tell me, how the fuck can you say that man is not offside, bro? How? Why do you have technology and you're not using it, fam? Oh, you're using it. But again, bro, they do not want the USA into the next round. They do not. It has to be that case. COMNEBOL just want COMNEBOL teams in the next round. You can complain about all you want. You can talk about FIFA did this and how COMNEBOL. No. They don't want their teams, the CONCACAF teams, in the next round. That is final, bro. That is final. That is fucking final. It's sad, but it's final. Last thing I want to talk about is Coach H. He has left the national team for Jamaica. I don't know why. And I saw the video of him telling about his they said that it was he made a decision before we woke up, all that stuff. It's kind of iffy. It's kind of very iffy. Jamaica was on an upward trajectory. They were finally playing well. We no longer seeing the ball jumping from defense to attack, We're seeing Jamaica actually playing well from defense, midfield, forward, all three phases of the game. And then they just quit like that. Why? Is it because JFF is shit? Could be. Is it because of the Liam Bailey situation? Could be. But definitely not because he wants to go back to dentistry. So what is it, fam? What the actual fuck is it, bro? What? I don't know, guys. You tell me. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the 4th official. My name is Rome. Make sure you drop a like on the video again. Subscribe for brand new. Big up yourself. Big up others. Manaz.